Energy in the world is made from over 80% fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are beginning to become scarce and they pollute the environment. When you burn fossil fuels, there's a lot of carbon release, which harms the air we breathe. Fortunately, there's a better, more environmentally friendly solution: solar power.
Solar power is starting to be very widely used, from everything from giant solar panels in the desert to little solar cells on calculators and phones. In the world today, solar power is starting to be the main choice of energy for companies and countries.
In a recent article from UPI.com, it is said that due to the power plant in Japan being destroyed from a recent earthquake, China is helping supply solar panels to Japan. They are choosing solar power because it's not only affordable, but also efficient. This article shows the movement that the world is making towards using solar powers every day.
Another recent story about the world starting to switch to solar power comes from ArabNews.com. Saudi Arabia is making a goal to create 41 gigawatts of solar power by the year 2032. In 20 short years, the main source of Saudi Arabia's power and electricity will come from solar power.
You may be wondering, what is it that makes solar power work and so efficient? There are two silicon layers, each infused with a different ion, meet at a point called the p-n junction. When the sunlight hits the junction, it excites electrons on the solar cells and creates electricity. Since sunlight is an unlimited resource, this makes creating energy very efficient and cost-effective.
You may also be wondering how much solar panels cost to buy and set up. From a website called SolarPowerAuthority.com, we know that the whole cost of installing and buying solar panels for your house will cost about $30,000. After the initial cost, it costs about $75 a month to run the solar panels and electricity converter. The average electricity bill in the U.S. is about $120 a month, where the average solar panel cost per month is only $75. Although solar panels cost money to install, they will pay for themselves and more in only 20 years.
Solar panels are most effective in sunny areas like California, Nevada, and Arizona, but can be used anywhere in the United States. Cut emissions and costs. Use solar power for a greener and more efficient tomorrow. Solar systems are now more affordable than ever. Companies are working to make solar panels much more cost efficient. You can go to sunnylek.com to buy solar panels. They sell them as cheap as 80 cents per watt and $260 per panel. They also have monthly giveaways so you can get your solar power for free. Buying and selling solar panels is now cheaper and easier than ever. Go to sunnylek.com or any of the following websites and get your solar panels today.